In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a digital vision board. Hey guys, my name is Denine and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my digital vision board. Now the reason that I choose to make digital vision boards versus the traditional physical vision board is because one, I don't like to clutter up my space with things that aren't completely essential, and two, I wouldn't like to have to print paper or buy magazines just to cut them up and glue them to the board, and then from there have the responsibility of either disposing of all these magazines or just keeping them in my space. I wanted to find a low to no clutter, inexpensive way to make vision boards that I could update regularly as my vision board items become a reality in my life. So that's why I decided to do digital vision boards, and I hope you consider trying them out in your own life. So before I get into the how, I'd like to quickly go over what a vision board is. So a vision board, otherwise known as a dream board, is a collage made up of images, inspiring quotes, and positive affirmations designed by you to motivate you to achieve goals through targeted work and manifestation using the law of attraction. Now, I decided to create this video months ago. It was recorded but left unedited and never made it into my content calendar. So why am I making a new vision board? Because just about everything that I set out to achieve on that original vision board is now a part of my reality. Neat, huh? So in today's video, we're going to jump behind my laptop and create a new vision board. We're going to remove the items that I've already acquired and carry over the items that I haven't. I make all of my digital vision boards on a website called PicMonkey. PicMonkey is a low-cost graphic editing platform complete with social media templates, graphics, access to stock photos from iStock by Getty and Unsplash, and the ability to remove the background from an image with the click of a button. If you would like to use PicMonkey to make your own digital vision board, to create overlays or thumbnails for your YouTube videos, or anything else you can think of like photo editing, you can use my referral code to get a $12 to $20 discount when you sign up for an annual subscription. I'll leave my referral link down in the description box below. Now, let's hop behind the laptop and make a new vision board. I prioritize family, freedom of time, health, and love in my personal life. So you will see that reflected both in my old and my new vision boards. The things that are going to be carried over to my next vision board are financial freedom, time with my dad, creating and maintaining friendships, time with my boyfriend, rescuing a dog, resistance band exercise, and knitting. Although I'm going to swap the current image with ones that are more goal specific. I'm also going to be doing the same with the meal prep image, as I'd like to focus more on green leafy vegetables specifically. Everything else on my old vision board is going to be removed because I've already acquired them. Have a home office, and I want it to be organized in a certain way so that I can use it for both YouTube channels. So for my knitting channel and for my weight loss channel. So let me go ahead and find an image that looks like a really nice organized office. So I've got home office with the nice cubbies behind me. I've got financial freedom. I've got my exercise. I've got friendship. I've got love and family. And I've got my doggy. And see, that's the thing. You really have to think about what you want. So I think what I want right now is a nice camera. Recording all of my videos on my cell phone, and my cell phone is starting to act up. And I think it's because it's basically constantly in use. So I'm going to find an image of a really nice camera. Or you know what? Let me see if I can find a camera with a flip out screen, because that is the specific camera that I want. I'm actually doing this wrong. You're supposed to go into great detail with your visualization, and so I need to find. It looks like this one has a flip out screen too, but it's just not deployed. But this image doesn't have a lot of people or a lot of background noise, which means it's going to be easy to remove the background. So I'm going to go with this one. Yeah, you can see that has a flip out screen. I'm going to go with this one. Yeah, that's like a camcorder. I'm probably not gonna get one of those. So let me go ahead and remove the background from this image. The fun part will be trying to learn how to use that camera, to learn all the camera settings. And I should maybe use an actual image of myself when I'm, you know, when I'm supposed to be creating what my life is going to be or what I want my life to be. Having somebody else in place of me might, you know, affect that. And then I think I need to put an image of myself. Because I think the way the visualization works is you need to be able to see yourself obtaining all of these things. So seeing somebody else having obtained what I want might not work out for the visualization. It might be counterproductive. So let me go ahead and... So now I am in this office. I'm not visualizing this reality for somebody else. I'm visualizing it for myself, which is the whole purpose, right? So now I'm sitting in this office. I'm gonna set it up so that I'm not cut off. Although I feel like it's gonna be kind of weird to have a picture this big of me on my desktop. Now I think what I'm going to do is add a hat. I do also knit hat stock images. Ooh, perfect. Look at that clean line. This PicMonkey background removing feature is so amazing. Oh, I want to put more emphasis on green leafy vegetables. So I'm going to add some of that because I did mention I wanted to be more specific now that I have already begun to eat more healthfully. And by that I mean just like planning my meal. Ooh, green cake, does that count? I like this. I wonder if this will be too complicated to remove the background. This is a variety of different healthful... Oh, well, there's an egg in it. I can do it like, ooh, it works. Send that to the background. And then I can erase the details that I don't want, like whatever that flower was. And the cool thing is if you have an image selected, you're only going to be erasing off of the image that is selected. So I can erase all of right here and it's not going to do anything to the images that I do not have selected. Pretty cool. I think I'm going to tilt this a little bit. You can also crop this. So there you go, double click and it goes into crop mode. So I don't actually have to press apply crop. And then double click it again. My camera just a little bit smaller so that you can see the office itself. Maybe move this down a little bit because I really do want emphasis, or up higher, really do want emphasis on this background being behind me when I'm recording. So I need to be able to see that. And I would like to rotate this just a little bit. And then I'm just going to go ahead and erase whatever is behind my head from this image of the green bench. All right, and this is, I believe, my finished product. Focus on fitness, a nicer camera, a nice background for filming, more time with family and loved ones, friendship, emphasis on friendship. I still would like freedom of time. I cannot stress how important that is to me. Freedom of time to spend with family and friends. And financial freedom, let me move, actually, you know what, go ahead and add some interest by using different angles. Let's get started. And yeah, that looks good to me. It doesn't have to be perfect. It looks a little choppy and it's a little cluttered, but it's all the things that I am interested in seeking and the things that I value right now. Healthy food, family, friends, love, and the finances to be able to spend time with the people that I care about the most in this finite life that I only have one of. I would like to spend as much time as I can with the people I care about without having to worry about suffering financially. So there is my digital vision board. Now you may have noticed that my vision board isn't necessarily visually appealing to others. It's not cute, it's not beautiful, it's not color coordinated, but to me it's beautiful because it's made up of things that are very important to me. And I wanted to clarify that because just because mine is not super put together, you can see there are little gaps between my head and the hat, things like that. Mine's a little cluttered, maybe the sizing isn't right. It doesn't mean that yours can't be. You can make yours beautiful. You can use beautiful fonts, you can color coordinate, you can use more beautiful photos. You can make yours look a little more intentional than mine did. Do whatever you need to make this vision board the most effective for you, because this is custom made for you. This is meant to serve you in your life and to create the future that you want for yourself. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you found it useful. Let me know if you make vision boards and whether or not you have made a digital vision board. If you have, which do you prefer, the physical or the digital? I honestly prefer the digital. I think that I don't see myself ever going back to the physical boards, but who knows what the future holds. But for now, digital is the way that I like to go. I have my digital vision board on my dual monitors. I see it every day and it inspires me greatly. I might even consider making a mobile phone background using my digital vision board. We'll just have to see about that. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting. I hope you found it helpful, and I am looking forward to hear about all of the things that you put on your vision board being manifested into your life, because I wish you the best. Bye.